We are Philip and Tasha, and together with our 3 adventurous cats, Mocha, Nix and Yati, our fearless feline crew, we left the land behind to chase the horizon, living life 1 nautical mile at a time. So whether you're here for amateur BS sailing tips, epic ocean views, or just watching the cats stealing the show, you're at the right place. Welcome to our journey aboard Snow. I'm so sorry for the delay in the videos. The past while was a whirlwind between multiple procedures and surgeries, and it took a little bit more out of me than I expected. I've been doing my best to keep up, but I've fallen a little behind. That said, I'm steadily getting back on track and hope to catch up very soon. Thank you for your patience. I truly appreciate it. And what better place to start at Starbucks? Where are we?
Your favorite place in the world?
Where's that?
Starbucks. So where do you think you are?
My favorite place in the world. A lovely rainy day, and this is exactly what you do on a day like this. We visited this beautiful restaurant at Porto del Phuket shopping mall, and it turned out to be such a lovely spot. Our taxi driver, Mr. Pitcher, took us there, and he was honestly amazing. Mr. Pitcher took us all over Phuket, hospital visits and boatyards, everywhere we needed to be. He made such a difference and really made our time there so much easier. Thank you, Mr. Pitcher. If you ever go to Phuket, please look him up at the yacht club. Where are we going?
We're going to Bangkok Hospital, Phuket.
Yeah, to do what?
See the surgeon.
Or?
Tap into his wisdom, see what he can come up with. Fix my MCP joints.
And the joints is, let me show your hands.
These little buggers.
All these.
All these little buggers, yeah, needs to replace them.
Okay.
With brand new spares.
Okay.
Anyone has some available? Pass them on. I need them.
Okay.
Anyone with B positive blood? Come on. I will gladly take it off your arteries, veins, and vein.
Okay. And this is, we are on our way to the hospital. And what's the name of the doctor?
Dr. Chayapat Munkasamy.
Okay. This is Phuket Bangkok International Hospital, and honestly, we can't say enough good things about it. The service, the professionalism, everything was just incredible. We were so impressed with how well we are taken care of. If you ever need surgery or any kind of medical help, we truly could not recommend this place more. Just amazing. Where's the hospital?
Very, very good so far.
We're sitting here in these really comfortable chairs while they take Philip's blood pressure and temperature before he goes in to see his doctor. And this is a photo of his amazing doctor. The doctor explained to Philip exactly what she was going to do during the operation and schedule it for the next day. After that, we stopped at Starbucks for a quick coffee, of course, and then made our way to the marina. Ingo's of glass. And Ingo some concrete. The full moon over the marina was absolutely beautiful as we sat there just enjoying our dinner. As we walk into the hospital on the day of Philip's right-hand operation, someone was playing the piano in the foyer. It created such a beautiful, calm atmosphere. Then the nurse prepared him to go up to his room, getting ready for his operation. And what an amazing room it was.
This big size, big size.
We laughed because Philip needed bigger gloves to go for a shower before his operation, and the nurse told him those were the biggest gloves they had. Oh well, somebody looks ready for his operation. Hello, Philippus. After about a 5-hour operation, they brought him back to his room. He actually looked quite happy, was surprisingly talkative, and he said he had no pain and was feeling really, really good.
No fighting.
But I think everything is fine because you have no symptom at all. Yeah, very good.
Thank you, sir.
The heart specialist came and visited Philip and said that he was very happy with how the whole procedures went. His own specialist came by and checked on him, and she was equally pleased with everything. He was up and feeling like himself again, almost back to normal. And just a quick note, if you are a bit squeamish, you might want to skip the next clip as it shows his hand after the surgery. And the next morning, can you believe it? He brought me coffee in bed. So kind of him. Who's visiting us?
Tony.
Well, what a surprise. And there is Tony.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha. Aloha, Tony.
Currently all the way from Apo, which is about 10 nautical miles away.
What's the distance?
Another successful voyage.
So your boats are...
How's the hand?
The hand is under control. Out of control.
Out of control, okay. Look at this beautiful view. There were heavy rain clouds hanging low over the marina, and then it started to pour down. We had to wait a while before we could walk back to the boat. This time in the hospital foyer, there were some kids playing the violin, and it was amazing as we sat and had a coffee at Starbucks before Philip will go and see his doctor.
Hello Kitty.
When you watch this clip, do you think he actually listened to the doctor and took it slow with his hand? I'll let you decide. And then Marlies was on her way to come and visit us. We really could not wait. Wat wil jy vir Marlies sê?
My Marlies, is het nou tyd om weer die ander doen?
Hallo, mag ek eers? This time, Marlies joined us at the hospital as Philip went for a checkup so the doctor could see how his hand was improving after the operation. She was very happy with the progress. And just a quick heads up again, there are some clips coming up that shows the scars and the wound after the surgery.
Okay, good wound condition. Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand new.
It was a rainy day, and with a plastic bag cover Philip's hand, he and Marlies made their way down the boardwalk to the boat. A small shrine at a traffic light on our way to the sail manufacturer. Marlies also took some video of the sail manufacturer and of us standing and chatting with the guy there. Marlies noticed the Philippine flag and then the South African flag. Yay! And then the Canadian flag because their children study in Canada. We took Marlies to our newly discovered restaurant in Porta del Phuket Mall. We had a great time and we even tried the creme brulee. It was absolutely delicious.
Wild white eats the...
Yeah. We also saw this poster showing where you can go for waxing. After dinner, we walked over to the amazing supermarket nearby. Marlies was especially impressed by the wide selection of cheese.
Look, Emma. Check all your colors.
We took one of the golf carts at the marina to take us and all our shopping bags back to the boat. Perfect. Oh well, Mokka entertained herself.
Je sien daai sakkie waar in daai seilers daar. Ons sy nooit weer terug in daai sakkie.
This is our new Genoa sail and it was about time for replacement, as you can see on these photos. Can you believe it? A month went by so quickly and it was time to remove the stitches, also called sutures. Philip's hand is looking really good now, and next time we'll move on to the left hand. It was time for a bit of shopping. What's your name?
Min. M-I-N.
Min.
Minimum. So maximum.
Maximum.
We decided to treat ourselves to a new drone, and I really hope Philip paid attention to all the instructions. After the hospital visit and a bit of shopping, we headed to the vet to pick up Yati. He's not feeling well, and the vet told us he has some kidney problems. We're really hoping he'll recover soon. Denise and Grant from Seafair invited us to the wood-fired restaurant, and we ended up meeting a few other yachties as well. We had such a great evening together.
Anyway, Zippy was not happy yesterday. I was in.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is your...
Mr. Pidgeot, our driver, took us to a jewellery factory called Gems Gallery. They claim it's the world's biggest jewellery store. As you can see, it's miles and miles of jewellery. Marlies and I laughed so much. We saw this big baboon on the motorbike that we just could not get our cameras out quickly enough. We were invited by the Yacht Haven Marina to a wine tasting evening. If you know us, you'll know we do not drink, but we took Marlies along, and she was our dedicated wine taster for the night. Thank you, Marlies. We had absolutely a wonderful evening.
Together for a beautiful marina here by the water. We are reminded that the heart of Phuket Yacht Haven is not only just our berth and our yachts, but it's the people who make this place a vibrant, welcoming community. Thanksgiving is a special time of the year, a moment to pause, reflect, and give thanks to the blessing.
Marlies participated in the event to make your own cocktail mix.
Wines that have delighted our palates tonight. Your collaboration has dedicated to allow us to the craft and experience that we hope will linger in everyone's memories long after the last glass.
We visited a truly interesting restaurant called The Junkyard, which also has its own theatre. We really enjoyed our time there, and the atmosphere was fantastic. Although we didn't get to watch a show, we had delicious food and loved the unique setting of the place. Just cuddling time. Marlies and I decided to do some sightseeing, and we visited a wat or two. It was really interesting to see the buildings. A Buddhist wat is a Thai temple. The word wat comes from Thai and refers to the Buddhist monastery or temple complex. In everyday use, a wat is more than just one building. It's usually a whole religious compound that may include a main prayer hall, a stupa or shedi, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, living quarters for monks, smaller shrines, statues and gardens. After that, we went to a beach restaurant and enjoyed a lovely lunch by the sea. And then, of course, a little bit of shopping. What's here, eh? Shopping! The next day we went to the hospital for a checkup on Philip's hand, and of course, no trip would be complete without Starbucks.
Ons hospitaalbesoek by Starbucks.
After the hospital visit, we popped into a boutique where they made some clothes for us. We then went to an interesting coffee shop called the Hoo Hoo Coffee Shop, an owl-themed cafe. It was quite unique and really fun to visit. Before you can touch the owls, you need to sanitize your hands. Then the staff carefully place the owl on your table for a short time with a timer to ensure the interaction doesn't last too long. Once the time is up, they gently remove the owl and return it to its perch so it doesn't get stressed. After that, we simply enjoyed our lovely coffee while taking in the unique experience.
You're just having coffee with the owls.
Yeah, it's amazing, huh? So cute, but I'm glad there's a timer. So it's only a little time and then they take it back. Yeah.
Marlies and I decided to visit Phuket Old Town, and we had such a great time. We really enjoy exploring the area and just taking it all in. We love the colorful streets, little cafes, and hidden corners everywhere you look. We popped in for a quick haircut. That evening we went to the wood-fired restaurant and had a lovely quiet time together. The restaurant's name is really wood-fired. The next day we walked around Nayang Beach, enjoying the small streets and street food along the way. Later we went to Sea Almond Restaurant and had a lovely lunch together. Marlies? Ja, is 5 minuten. It was time to extend our visiting visas in Thailand, and Ta, our agent, helped us through the process. After that, we did some shopping. The next day was filled with excitement. Eventually, Bob the cat, Sean and Nina's friends arrived in Langkawi. We are now looking forward to them coming to Thailand so we can all set sail together for about a month. Here are some photos and videos of their journey on the way to Thailand. The Sand Pebble was also part of the journey.
Hedge of angels come to corners with me. Riddle out every shadow you see. Ring a bell, shake a cross, give them hell, whatever the cost. Summon all of your revelry. Say a word against the indecency. You're alright, not alone. Keep up the fight, safe in the home. Whistle your loudest song. Whistle your loudest making a lot of sound. Sleeps tonight. Paint all your tigers gold.
Say hi. Hi. Hello. Here's the girl struggling to get up.
Thanks so much.
Yes, Sunday.
Huh?
Yes, Sunday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gemma. Happy birthday to you.
Sleeps tonight.
At the same time, Bob the cat sailed from Langkawi to Thailand. Michelle and Kirsty were flying from Johannesburg to Phuket. They'll be staying with us overnight until we meet up with Bob the cat. We picked them up at the airport and took them straight to the Sea Almond restaurant on the beach. We had a lovely dinner. It was so special to have Michelle and Kirsty on the boat. It felt like family come to visit us again. As you can see, Nix was still on the dock. Then things suddenly got a little hectic. As I pulled in the last bit of the rope, I looked up and there she was, still on the dock. Philip had to carefully maneuver the boat back, reversing into the dock with precision. Then just when everything seems under control, Michelle quickly jumped off the boat, grabbed Nix and scooped her back on board again. Ay, what a moment. And everything was happening in a strong current at the same time. Marlies and I on lookout for Philip as we carefully maneuver our way through the narrow gap to exit the marina.
Kijk, jij is oké. Je is Fari voorbij.
Hi rondloper.
We were very happy to have Nix back on the boat, but typical Nix, she'll slip into any open locker and disappear. And then we ended up searching high and low to find her again. So now the rule on the boat has changed. We always lock the cats inside the boat before we leave any dock.
Set fire to your hair, poke a stick at a grizzly bear, eat medicine that's out of date.
Michelle and Kirsty joined Philip at the helm station.
A few moments later.
Annelies, thank you so much.
The boat suddenly came to a stop and Marlies explained she had been thrown from the galley into the saloon seating area. Luckily, she was not hurt during the sudden flying moment on the boat. Philip and Michelle immediately jumped into the water and Philip quickly spotted a huge rope tangled around the propeller. He managed to cut it free and we were able to set sail again and continue our journey. Michelle took video of the whole process while Nix watching everything from the edge of the boat, looking quite concerned as usual as she followed what Philip and Michelle were doing in the water.
Everything sucks. Just kidding. Everything is great. No, really.
Mocha couldn't care less.
My ex today. Oh wait. Fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days and it felt nice and I might try doing exercise. Not really. I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, spend my spare change down at the arcade and then I'll say everything sucks.
The rest of our sailing went smoothly as we made our way into Naihan Beach and eventually we caught up with Bob the cat again.
But I called my friends and I told them we should.
It was so good to see Bob the cat again. It felt really special having Sean on board, just chatting away like old times and enjoying the moment together.
I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say.
That evening we went to a lovely restaurant and it was the first time we met Ina's friends. They were such a wonderful group of young ladies and we had a really enjoyable time together. Getting back to the tender after dinner turned into a bit of an adventure, though it took a little rock climbing before we finally made our way back to the boats.
Everything sucks.
Whenever Nix decided to join us at helm, this is her favorite spot on the bag, but we absolutely love having her around.
Jatti was net weer bijspelen vanmorgen.
Is het?
Ja, dat is het. Toen ik nou opbouw speel met op de controle en dan weer met blokken. Voilà, het is weer
You found the spot.
Oh, dat is alweer sinus wat het hier is. I can't really describe how special it felt in that moment, seeing Bob the cat and Sand Pebble sailing right alongside us. It was one of those scenes that just stays with you. It even took us back to our Sail Malaysia excursion in 2023, when we first shared this kind of adventure. And here we were again, all together on the water, just enjoying every single moment of sailing side by side. entered Patong Beach Bay looking for a good spot to anchor for the night. Marlies was busy calling out the depth and length of the anchor chain as we dropped the anchor.
43, 43.
The youngsters jumped off Sandpebble to cool down, while Sean carried his heavy sail off to be repaired.
Well, listen, you're the...
We all decided to go to Patong Beach, especially the most famous Patong Street, for the evening and to have something to eat there as well.
You good? Oh, no, no, oh! Actually, let's bring it in case. Yeah, that's a good idea. Tie the tube. Yeah, yeah.
Time to pose is all I can say. All the fresh food that you can choose from at the food stalls at the street food restaurants. People, there must be something seriously wrong with you if you want to try and eat scorpions. No! That loud bang was just a transformer and nothing serious.
Stir-fried chicken cashew nuts, does that come with rice? Yeah. Yeah, can I have one of those, please?
Well, if you look at that face, I think you'll agree that he loves his green curry.
Green curry through straw. Okay.
After dinner, we decided to slowly make our way back to the tenders to return to the boat.
Walk a cold thin line in the morning.
Patong Beach and this street have quite a vibe. Definitely not for everyone, and I think Yati's reaction says it all. And the next morning we set off from Patong Beach to Layan Beach. Thanks so much for watching. Come along and join us on our next adventure.
I can only watch you now. Watch you as you sail